Hello primary students and parents. I hope you're all safe and well. The reason for this video is to outline some key changes we are making in relation to how the school will use Google Meet, Google Classroom and your online electronic timetable during this period of home learning. Due to functionality reasons, we are moving away from using links within your child's timetable to move them to their Google Meet lessons. The reason for this is due to issues with Google Meet, staff will now have to regularly reset their Google Meet link, which will mean the links in your child's timetables will stop working. You will need to access your Google Meet lessons by using the Google Classroom. Many of our students already access their lessons in this way, and I'm going to show you how to do that just now. It's a really simple, straightforward process. The first thing you need to do is identify which lesson you are about to have. So, if you were in my class and it was Monday morning at 8:45, you know that you have English with me. Now, rather than clicking on my name, you will now simply need to go to your Google Classroom. This can be done on a computer via logging into Google with your school email address and password, or it can also be done on a tablet or mobile device via the Google Classroom app. So I will open up the Classroom now and show you the step-by-step process. Once you are in the classroom, simply click on the teacher's name who is going to teach your lesson. So as I said here, at 8:45 on Monday, if you're in year 4, you probably have English with me. So you would come into Google Classroom and simply click on My Class, like that. This page will open, and now you simply need to click on this Meet link, and that will automatically take you to the English lesson with me. If you happen to be in classwork in Google, there is also a small Meet link symbol there. That will also take you to your classroom. That is really, really straightforward, and I hope all of our students are able to follow that process. Following the English lesson, later in the day, you may notice that you have got Mandarin with Mr. Wang. So again, rather than clicking on Mr. Wang's name, go into the Google Classroom. You might need to click on the arrows here and find your teacher. There he is, look, Mr. Wang's classroom. And then simply click on his meeting link. It is just as easy as using the timetables. However, following this procedure will allow staff to regularly update these meeting links to ensure that our lessons run smoothly and teachers are able to perform all the functions which Google enables. If you have any problems, please contact your class teacher. In the meantime, all of the class teachers will be working with the students to show them and demonstrate how to complete this procedure. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with somebody at the school. Hopefully, we'll be welcoming you all back to school in the near future. Take care and stay safe.